cheering for 50X. I'm not cheering. He's lucky to have a beautiful wife. 15X multiplier. Let's see. 3,000 is our highest.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Let's not get an extra. Buzzer close, good luck. That was a crazy time with you guys. Hey ladies and gentlemen, that's a pachinko! Starting with 5X, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 50, 200, double. 200 X is the highest one. There is also double. Let's see. Not gonna lie, this wake me up. I mean, let's do that again! Let's do that again. Let's go. Oh, wow. Okay. Really impressive. Okay, we will continue as soon as possible. But hey, it's 200. Yeah, 1,132 winners. Beautiful. Need some spices, okay? It's just like it would be just so boring just giving 200. Come on, needed some extra, okay?
Thumbs up for now. Feel free to place the rest. Don't forget other play options as well. We'll see how it goes in this go round. I'm sure I will do that. Thank you. Alright, let's hope for the bonus round for the first time as well. I wonder which one is going to be as well. Hello Alexa, once again, welcome. So let's start with Mystic right now. For this round landing on. Alright, we got first bonus round, ladies and gentlemen. We got the pachinko for the start. So let's go, enjoy the bonus round. Welcome to the first pachinko for the session. We'll check out the multipliers that play us. So the lowest, we got 2 X's. We got another 2, we got a 3, we got a 5, we got a 10, we got a 15, we got 20, 25, 35, 200s for this round. Let's go, the players. Right in the middle. 200x multiplier to get, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Hope you're ready. And let's have some fun. So for this round, right away, what a great start, ladies and gentlemen. 200x multiplier right away from the first pachinko. Alright, what a great start, ladies and gentlemen. Right away, 200, 244, 202, 2,447 winners. Good luck next time once again. So then time's over now. Feel free to flex with us. So once again,
Light to us, PH, I'll miss you so much, honey. I'll miss you so much. No, thank you guys. Thank you. That's a close. No, guys! Ladies and gentlemen, a cash in. But hey, what a 5x, guys. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to cash in. Yay, so go quicker. We need to see it. We have 100 right there, but hold on. 5 exits. The biggest side of the maximum multiplier is 500x. Look how much there is of everything. Let's go. Woo. This is awesome, guys. This is awesome. This is a great way to, because our session is coming to an end, but it's a great way to end it. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, now, very, very hard part to make a decision. Where do you think that 500x? Maybe if you don't get the 500, there's still quite a lot of just good numbers in general, like just 100s and like all of those, Ladies and gentlemen, deal where's the 500? There you go. It's right there, guys. Hope you got it. A lot of people did. Love to see that. Congratulations to 2,182 winners. Good luck in next round. And of course, now bets are open. How'd you do? How'd you do, guys? Did you do good? Something good. Come on, we need good news here from time to time, don't we? Let's get them. And the bets are now closed. Good luck. Race time is multiplied by 3 by the TOPSLOT. Let's go. Good morning, bingo. It is a nice morning, isn't it? Well, not for me, really. We have rain and everything, but we are getting the crazy time of a TOPSLOT, so I say it's a good morning for us. Let's go. Going on a trip with a favorite rocket ship. Woohoo! Let's go, people! Let's go see the penguins and how they are doing. Woohoo! Party time! This is the crazy time. We have our beautiful, beautiful multipliers, don't we? And not only do we have our multipliers, we also have a TOPSLOT of 3. Woohoo! So let's triple all those multipliers and let's get the best outcome possible. Yeah, let's go. Well, before we get to getting our own multipliers, we also have one job to do. Well, you have one job to do, and that is to pick the color that we want. We have the blue, the green, and the yellow. Whatever your heart desires, hopefully that's the best one. Good luck. The highest multiplier is 300. Let's go. Woo! Look at that! We have 300 for the green, 45 for the blue, and a double for the yellow! Beautiful! Okay, let's double those multipliers. The highest multiplier goes up to 600. Let's go! Woo! Now the highest multiplier, 1,200. Woo! Okay, let's get it. Good luck, party people. Okay, and that is 120 only for the yellow, but it is not a bad multiplier at all. Congratulations.
Let's open with a nil, diamonds, and yes, the top winners. They're tying their hair? Never heard of that in this studio. What? But I haven't seen hose tied up hair. What? No. Freeze down with 7X. Never heard of that actually. Bingo Plus. Music to my ears. Music to my ears to have this top slot hits. I told you so. I told you so once again. Excuse me for the excitement, but do you want to build a snowman? Just kidding. Do you want to have this crazy sound with 7X? Cuckoo time with a cuckoo host. Let's go.
That's gonna be fun.
Ended up in this situation with even a triple on the wheel. Let's make it 7 times more than we had. Talking about the multipliers. We did have additional multiplier, and we do have a triple on the wheel. Hopefully someone will got it, but now you have to choose green, blue, or yellow. Choose a flapper or wait for it. Blue is the most chosen one. 1,400X is the highest one so far, at least. Good luck. Look at this moment. 350, 140, and 700X. He bumps passenger that time, or overall you're a passenger? Do you have a car? You do remember our topic like a week or 2 weeks ago? Then he bumped another car on my side. Understood. Well, I have a car. I told you it's yellow. 10 with 50X. Of course it's yellow, and you think you're 11 out of 10. Hi Marisol, hello to you. Do you see what I see? Excuse me, but look at the screen. What? For 50X from the top slots. What is going on? I have no idea, but it is going to be pachinko with 50X. Pressure, no pressure, I guess, for me as a host at the moment. But okay, let's go. Starting with 3X. It's gonna be great. Either way, 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, 40, 50. Do the magic. Magic. 15X additional multiplier. Add it up. So, the highest one is 750X. Good luck. It's gonna be great, right? Yeah, it's going to be great if it will be confirmed. It would be great if it would be confirmed.
should I entertain you or something? Yay! Hello, Puck is not recorded. Like the results. Sure? No, it's gonna be this result, players. Please stay patient. Excuse me for the inconvenience. It's going to be this result, but Puck is just hanging, you know, chillaxing. It's not a redrop moment. It's gonna be confirmed. Relax, take it easy. What a session, actually. What a time to be live, isn't it right? Ta-da! 300x for us. Hands up to end the session this way. Congratulations to 1,854 winners in total, and place your balance. Can we talk a little bit more about this game? Thank you. He's not happy with his life. Oh, I see. Players like my husband. Well, but he's only for me, guys. Get away. I'm not sharing. He's lucky to have a beautiful wife. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Good luck, everybody. And I think finally we land on Pachinko with 59 stops on top. Woo! Ha! Yes, it's for you. It's for you. Stop for calling me beautiful. You deserve this bonus round. So let's go. Let's see where we have. But I need a little bit more than that. Okay, I'm so excited. 15x multiplier. Let's see. 3,000's our highest win. Okay, let's try to get 3,000, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready? Our highest multiplier is 3,000. Good luck. Congratulations to every one of you. 642 winners. Woohoo! Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You did a wonderful job. Oh, well, 3K would be nice. Would have been nice, but yeah. You're a legend. Place my last bet. Really?
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.